So I've got peppermint tea in there, water stones there. And this is nettle tea. This is nettles I've got from the garden or on a walk with the dog, making sure that they're high enough away so that dogs don't pee all over them. And let them dry out for a couple of weeks. Put it in there for about 5 minutes. Taste with honey or a little bit of sugar if you've got no honey, just to sweeten it a little, and it's not bad at all. In fact, you should try it. It's brilliant. Okay, first sip of this new batch. There's nothing to it. There's nothing to it. It's full of antioxidants, absolutely full. Google it and see what's in nettles. This is one of the best kept secrets, it really is, because there are pharmaceutical companies that have got fields and fields full of nettles and they're selling it on for nettle tea. We've got it up the road, you've got it down anywhere. You just look around and you will find nettles. Find some nettles, do your own thing, and get local nettles. They'll have the right things for you because it's local. So don't buy nettle tea for 10 quid a flipping ounce. You don't have to do that. Cut the nettles, top leaves, cut them yourself, leave them to dry for 2 weeks, 5 minutes in there, spoon of sugar, well, half a sugar, a quarter of sugar, a little bit of honey, whatever you want to do. It'll blow your mind. It's brilliant, but dry it first, I advise you. If you do it, I've tried it fresh. If you do it fresh, it tastes like you're drinking water from a stream that's got all sorts going into it. Dry, it's great, so do that, try it, it's worth it.